Number 6. Predict whether each of the following substances would be more soluble in water, which is a polar solvent, or in a hydrocarbon, such as heptane, which is C7H16, a nonpolar solvent. And then we have vegetable oil. Now they tell us that vegetable oil is polar. Would vegetable oil be more soluble in water or in heptane, which is nonpolar? Now just know that if something is soluble, that means that it will dissolve. And if something dissolves, it will turn into a homogeneous mixture, right? When you're mixing two substances together and they all dissolve, you can't see the difference between where one part of it is and the other. So that's going to turn into a homogeneous mixture. Now, there is a saying in chemistry that like dissolves in like, right? Similar substances want to be with their own kind. So if your molecule is polar, it will want to dissolve in a polar solvent. And if your molecule is nonpolar, it's going to want to dissolve in a nonpolar solute or a solvent. Now, they told us that vegetable oil was nonpolar. And if like dissolves in like, and I'm starting off with something that's nonpolar, this will have a better chance of dissolving in a nonpolar solvent. So between water, which is polar, and a hydrocarbon such as heptane, which is nonpolar, like goes with like, nonpolar goes with nonpolar. So vegetable oil will dissolve or be soluble in heptane. And this idea is because that like substances have like intermolecular forces, which makes it easier for them to come together and dissolve. And that's it. So I hope this helped. Let's just color, right? This is the best part of the video. I can't believe this one was an easy peasy one, right? Like dissolves in like. So don't forget that. I hope this helped. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to helping you out with future problems. So I'll see you then, okay? All right, take care. Bye-bye.